Hello, it's Luna. We are going to go over extensions today. So you're going to grip your fan and bring it up your native side. When you come across your body is when you'll do a grip change to keep your palms forward. Here you'll see a close-up. You really want to spread your fingers to keep your fan as in plane as possible. And then here's a back view. Once you feel comfortable, why don't you go ahead and switch hands? Remembering to start with going up your native side, and then when you get across to your non-native is when you regrip. You can also go the opposite way. We don't use this very much, but it's good practice for fan control. Here is a close-up of the regrip of the bottom going the other direction. And once again, it is always a good thing with fans and two-hand props to work on both directions, both hands. Once you feel comfortable with that regrip on the bottom, you can grab both fans. You're going to move to the side, and the fan that was on top becomes in front, and that one regrips. And when you go to the other side, the new one that's in front regrips. So it's continuous motion, keeping in mind for the direction you go is the fan that's on the bottom goes up your native side.